Hey, I've got the Smart Jerry 12 volt air compressor. They package everything up nicely for you so it's all together. But here is your hose right here. We're gonna just pop this out. So it's about 1.5 feet long. Here is what you have to plug this into your vehicle cigarette lighter. They give you a nice long cord, so I'm gonna show you that. They give you an extra fuse. You've got a tip here to do inflatables. They're gonna give you another inflatable tip, and under there is for pumping up any soccer ball, volleyball, etc. So I'm gonna set this down. Look how long this cord is, which is actually necessary because I've gotta go all the way up into the cab and then on my dashboard. So this needs to be long enough to come out here. Okay, so here it is plugged in. Look, follow it all the way out. Look how long this is. You got a little light on the front there. So we're gonna string this down on the outside. We're gonna go ahead and close the door. We're gonna go 43 PSI. We've got it set to 44 PSI. And I love the fact that it's got that light on it. So at night, there we go, 31.5. All right, we're up to 35 PSI. There we go, put the cap on, nice. Pop the needle in there, go ahead and start it up. That's all it needed. Quickly pump that basketball out. Nice. Do you see how nicely everything is held right into the back? So you're never gonna have to worry about misplacing any of this stuff. It goes around and it holds the cord in there. Look, it goes right over top, pushes in there nicely. Super easy to use. Plug it in, turn it on, and you're ready to go. And you can adjust the PSI right here. It's got everything you need to do inflatables. And he did send this to me in exchange for my honest review. This is one of the better ones that I've reviewed. This is a little bit more powerful, a more heavy duty. You're gonna have this for whenever you need it. So that is my quick review. Thanks for watching.